So guys, this was the prediction I did for you guys yesterday, right? I told you guys clearly that for Friday, right, for the last day of the week, market is going to do something for us and it is going to give us a bullish move. This is exactly what market did. Market did give us that bullish move. Exactly what we predicted it to do, it is what market did. Now you can clearly see that over 90% of our analysis is absolutely correct. So basically, whatever prediction we do on gold, right? Whatever prediction we do on gold, have it in mind that there will be 90 to 80% chance that market will move exactly what we predicted it to move. So this is one of the reasons why I always tell you guys that if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments. Make sure you also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day, for the week, right? For the coming week on our gold. So before we able to predict what market will be doing for the coming week on our gold, let's take a look at, let's go back to what we predicted that market will be doing for this week. Where if you take a look at it, I told you guys, now I do not just want to say it, right? I want you guys to actually, I want to back it up with evidence, right? So if you've not watched the analysis we did last week on gold, I want you to go back to the channel to go and watch the analysis we did last week on gold. And if you have been watching it, you should be able to testify that I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a bullish move for the week. And this is exactly what gold did give us. Gold eventually did give us the bullish move that I told you that markets would give us for the week. Gold eventually did give us that bullish move. So you can see that we are very much correct. Now, this coming week, right, we will be expecting gold to also give us a bullish move, right? So guys, whatever you want to be doing on gold, right, especially if you are a swing trader, one thing you should want to do is going for the buy and hold your buy position. So next, this coming week is for the April 20th to 24. We will be expecting a bullish move on gold. So whatever you want to be doing, be expecting a bullish move on gold. Expect gold to give you that bullish move. So guys, a bullish move this coming week is what we'll be expecting on our gold. Now, when we go down to the 4 daily time frame, why are we going to be expecting that bullish move? It's very simple. First, you need to zoom it out. And second, you need to know what the trend is. Now, this is where the rules of trading comes in, the two rules of trading, which is the first rule of trading says know your trend. The second rule of trading says trade with the trend. Now, what is the trend? It is very clear that this is an uptrend move. This is very clear that gold is in an uptrend movement, right? That is, we are now able to establish the fact that that is now an uptrend movement. Now, when you go in, zoom it in, you take a look at what market is doing currently. What is market doing? Market is also trading to the upside. At first, markets drop, right? Then it eventually gave us a double bottom, which indicates a reversal pattern, right? Markets then push on to break the neckline, which is the first high. Here is a pullback, which is an higher low, right? Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. This is the new higher high the market has formed. Here comes the higher low. Now the market has given us the higher low, which has pulled back to tap at 10 period simple moving average. This eventually serves as a confluence that markets will push up. This is one of the reasons why I say for Friday, which is the last day of the week, we will be expecting gold to give us a bullish move, and gold did give us that bullish move. Now we see that market has given us a bullish move. Is this bullish move over? Definitely not. So we will be expecting gold to still push up till it is able to fully give us a bullish move that will completely take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So a further movement to the upside is what we are going to be expecting on our goal. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting. Now, if you take a look at this movement right here, guys, so you can see it right here. Gold has now pushed on to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high, right? This is the pullback currently playing. Once the pullback plays out, maybe once the pullback comes to tap a level of 4820, once it pullbacks and tap a level of 4820, then you can see gold push up one more time to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, I want you guys to know that this week will be a bullish move for us on gold. So if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position, that will be the perfect thing to do. That will be the best thing to do, especially if you do not just hop in and hop out of the trade anyhow. The best thing you can do is just go in for the buy and hold your buy position. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you do not miss out on the updates, it is very simple that guys. Make sure you click on the subscribe button and like and share. Click on the bell notification so that once we drop an update, you will not miss out on the updates.